Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys see by the title, it's a little different, not a wrap video, but we're doing a steering wheel install. So this is actually being recorded after I did the wrap, but it's gonna be a little quicker to edit, so I'm just gonna upload. So as you see, this one's uploaded before, and then anyways, so I got the Momo Monte Carlo with the yellow stitching. Actually, Anna, my girl, actually gave me a really good idea because it kind of has like the black and yellow nimbus. So I was a little smart. All right, so it's the regular quick release adapter. I think this is the Gen 2. Got black with carbon, just to keep it neutral. And then I got the short hub. That way it kind of keeps like a stock length. First things first, to disconnect the battery. Okay, so now that the battery has been disconnected, I can start taking off the airbag and then disassemble all this. Luckily for us, someone tried to steal this from the previous owner, so that's a step less. So normally there'd be 3 screws, 2 like right here and then 1 down here, but we just skipped that step. Okay, so normally, obviously you guys would have this. So once that comes off, then there's 2 tabs. See right here? There's one on this side, one on the opposite side, and then on the bottom where you disconnect the airbag, and then it should all just come right out. Okay, so that's the T30 on both sides. And then the under, okay, so here's the under clip, and then that disconnects the airbag. So it just has this one, and it just pulls out, and then this one you just press this little tab. Okay, now that you like take that off and everything's disconnected, what you want to do actually is have the wheel straight, and then mark the centerpiece, because the centerpiece moves, as you can see. So you want to mark straight up and down, that way you know what's straight. Luckily for me, it's already marked. Okay. Yeah, totally straight. Okay, so this middle nut is a 19. Once you break it loose, don't take it out all the way. Just mostly. That's when we can start hitting the steering wheel so it like breaks loose. There we go. Check this out. Just watch out for this. And there you go, steering wheel's off. Okay, so now that the steering wheel is off, now you get this top piece, which has 3 Phillips. Just go ahead and take that out. Okay, so one of the connectors clips right off, as you can see, but this one is like a little tougher. So this one, what I'm gonna do is follow it all the way down, and the connection is actually right here. So take that off and disconnect it, and just take it completely out. Okay, so yeah, once this is connected, it goes through this like bottom column and just pull it right out. So I made a mistake when I was pulling out this assembly, and I pulled this long cable. I accidentally snapped this off. So make sure you disconnect this gray one as well as the yellow one for the airbag, because there's a horn, if you want the horn. So what I did was trim both the pieces off, and then twisted them, laid them flat, and just taped it up. So the Momo steering wheel actually did come with this little ring. The instructions don't say anything about it, but what I'm gonna use it for is for the horn, and you'll see that right now. Cool. Peel a bunch of it off, and then twist this up. You see a little hole right here, and then I'm just gonna attach it up here. That way, the ring can touch this, which is gonna be for your horn. So now that I have this exposed, I can connect this back. And I'm actually bringing the cable through the column where it was before. Use this ring that came with the steering wheel. I don't know, hopefully, but I'll just, if I mess up, then I mess up. And then just attach this. So now the connection, what's connected? It goes through that little column piece, comes up here, and then it is connected to that little metal piece. With the energy, you want to have the energy up, and then that metal piece to be touching the gold part. So you just want it to always be touching, and then so that the notches go all the way back. So energy up, and then let's see if I can get you to see. So then you'll see the little notch right there, and then this is a little metal piece, and then that way it's always making constant connection to this back gold part. So then hopefully, now that this wire is touching the back part, and obviously it's getting connected through that, when we touch these two, the horn should sound. There we go. Okay, so now what we want to do is we'll straighten this up. That's pretty straight. Remember that mark before, and then we will be putting on the big ass nut right here. We're tightening this up, and then give a little squeeze, and then we'll be putting on the bottom half of the quick release section. So then we're connecting to the horn. So now that that part is done, we'll go ahead and set up the steering wheel. So I'll get this set up. Check this set up. Steers, and then let's see, there it is. Normally if you have that housing, you could just put it back on, which I'll probably just buy off eBay or something, so that way it looks a little cleaner. But there it is. Here's a shot from the outside. Oh, okay guys, so it was super cold last night. Didn't record an outro, but here it is in the daylight. Now if you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. If you found it informative, that's cool. I mean, I learned along the way. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, cool. There's rap, be more installs. Thanks for watching, guys.